Hey, Paul Peck here again. Today I'm going to show you how to spray some popcorn ceiling texture on a ceiling repair. But I wanted to show you exactly how this looked before I got started. I'll be cutting out all the water damage on the walls and ceiling. And here it is with the new drywall and mud work done. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you how I sprayed the orange peel texture on the wall repairs. In my last video, I showed you how to do a dust containment bubble out of plastic, and I'll leave a link to that video down below in the description. And there's the bubble, ready for texture or drywall repairs. Keep that dust down in your home and everybody's happy. Let me know in the comments what kind of drywall project or texturing project you're working on and how you contain your drywall dust. Okay, so here's my plastic bubble. I'm ready to spray the popcorn texture on the water damaged ceiling repair that I did in the previous videos. I'm using my Graco RTX 1000 texture rig. It's a small rig that you rent at your local big box store, and you can use it as a hopper or use the rig. I'm using it as the spray rig because I've got some other repairs to do. But basically what you want to do is first hit the repaired area and get some good coverage of the popcorn on that. Then you're going to go along where the joint compound from the repair meets the existing popcorn. And you want to go in a circular motion, and it feels better that way if you go in a circular motion. Doesn't take long to do these at all. So again, I'm just filling, going in different directions. This popcorn ceiling's gonna get painted once I'm done with all the texturing. I'm also doing some orange peel on that repair behind the plastic. Got another spot to hit. All right, so that's pretty much it as far as the texture matching goes. I'm going to show you how I pull the plastic down. I do reuse the tacks that I used to hold the plastic up out on the ceiling. So basically you're just going to pull the tack out. You want to be sure not to let the wet side of the plastic touch the walls or you if possible. The walls are more important than you are though. Haha. That's the door. I'm just kind of splitting that up. Again, you want to fold it in towards the wall as you go. Keep watching because I'm going to step back and you're going to see how good this popcorn ceiling blends. I used, it's a medium popcorn texture mix made by Sheetrock. It's the medium poly popcorn texture mix. Last tack here, and there's the popcorn texture match. What I did is I blended it or feathered it out into the existing. That's how you get a perfect popcorn ceiling repair. Got to give yourself enough room, feather out. That's the key. I mean, that blends perfectly. Once the painters are done here painting the ceilings, it's going to be a perfect match. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried to match a popcorn ceiling and how it turned out. All right, got that popcorn sprayed. The dust containment plastic bubble worked perfectly. Now I'm going to do a little fine sand on this repair and cover the window so I can feather out the texture into the existing. That's an orange peel texture. Alright, got that sanded. Now it's ready for some orange peel. I'm going to go ahead and start spraying that. I'm using my hopper setup, and I've got this one of the smaller hole sizes, and the air pressure turned up all the way. So it's going to shoot a nice, consistent orange peel texture. What you want to do is you want to start with the main part of the repair and start spraying that. You'll do all your blending after. What you want to do also is you mix up a joint compound to a pretty soupy consistency, like a pancake batter. pretty soupy. Just like the popcorn, you want it soupy so it flows nicely through the hopper or texture rig. Then what you want to do is just kind of blend it out to nothing. I call it feathering. So you want to feather it out so it blends. Then it's going to need primer and paint. All right, there it is. Orange peel texture blended into the existing. Feathered out gradually to nothing. Nice consistent orange peel texture. Got this other room where the popcorn had fallen out with the drywall, all blended nicely. So between those can lights. And one more area in the bathroom. Can't even see where there was a repair. Basically, it was all up in here. I had to respray and blend into the skylight and just above that exhaust fan. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on any of my videos. I'm always putting some together. I always have my camera with me. And we'll see ya. And if you want to catch the next video or any of my upcoming videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button now in the center of the screen to keep up with all my videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I'll leave some of my most popular video links down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching.